This is the Star Learning Series. We're going to do the alphabet letter X. The sound is X. X for box. Say the sound and words after me. X. Box. This is a big brown box. Wax. These crayons are made from wax. X. Fox. The fox lives in a den. Next. He is standing next to the box. X. Ox. This is an ox. Oxen. One ox, many oxen. X. Taxi. I ride to school in a taxi. Well done. Axe. I chop the wood with an axe. X. Mix. I mix the food in a bowl. Fix. The mechanic will fix the car. X. Boxer. This breed of dog is called a boxer. Boxer. This man is a boxer. X. 6. This number is called number 6. X. 16. This number is called number 16. X. Pixie. We read about a pixie in the storybook. X. Flax. This flower is called a flax. X. Text. I read the text on the page. X. Boxcar. Daddy helps me make a box car. I am a star. Well done. Give yourself a hug.